What's up, guys? It's Cotton VR. Today we're back with another Animal Company update video. Today we're going to be checking out the new arena map and what's new and what items are in. So what you want to do when you start in, there's going to be like this thing called Arena and Adventure. You want to click on Arena, and it's a beta mode. So the voting thing, I voted on it already, and I voted that it was good because I tried it out a bit. So I'm in red team, so I'm gonna go to blue team. Now let's start the game. Okay, so. Oh! Yeah, this is... Oh, wait. Okay, this is really cool. Well, I think you destroy their base. I think you just grab the guns and destroy their base. And you can put in your hip attachment too. So let's keep on breaking the red team to the enemies. But I think that there's gonna be like people like defending. Oh, we get research points. So I think there's gonna be like people defending their bases from the attackers. So yeah, I don't. Let's see if we can bring weapons too. Oh, another one. Oh, so that's how you win. You do that. Okay, that's actually cool. Okay, so then you die. So, okay, that's actually not a bad idea. Okay, let's go back and see if you can bring like RPGs and just blow it up. Don't think you can. Okay, you can't. So, waste of money, I guess. Alright, let's try doing the shotguns now. Oh, wait, so the shotguns have knockback. Oh, there's 3 shotters now. Okay. So I believe that those are the research points. And what these are. What are these? What? Yo. How? What? Huh? Wait! I didn't use that to blow up the base. Wait, this is actually OP. Wait, let's see the strat. So, I think that you can bring this over here, that over there, over here, run. See that? Oh, you can't do that. PC only. Okay, that's actually a nice idea. But, that's actually cool. So I think it mostly gives you teleport grenades and sometimes like weapons. Alright, let's try mining like all the ores that we can, but let's not mine the base. Okay, I died. So let's try respawning to see if we can respawn. Okay. Actually, no, pistols. Shotguns. Alright. So let's try mining red ore or green ore, not red. Right. Okay, so that's what we got so far. Okay, so we mined some. Wait, okay, that's kind of a glitch because the RPG just went flying. I think that this is an RPG. No. Okay, I died again. How lovely. All right, let's try. So there's like a time limit, so yeah, there's definitely a time limit. So I feel like this is actually a cool update. But they should make these like in-game items though. Well, it might be too overpowered. There should be like a way to get this out. But yeah, let's try to now mine the other ores. Let's try mining these. Can you mine? Okay, no you can't. Alright, so like your team is gonna go and like on a rampage and go like fight each other. So they have like little like bases like down here where like you can fight and like shoot people. So it's actually pretty cool. So can you mine here and betray your team? Because I hope not. Thank God, I do not want that to be in it. I was checking something. Alright. Wait, I want to try something else. That something is not gonna... Let's try getting this out for aim. Okay. Alright. Yo, wait, we got the space grenades. Right. Oh, wait, I forgot, it doesn't fly. Okay, so it does. Make it. I see how like this would be useful, like just suck your enemies in, and then you just put one of these and start flying in the air, like moving from here, mine that, like mine that. Okay, so this is like a new way to get company coins and get rich. Okay, I died again. So now let's try to go and bring these outside somehow. Okay, there's gotta be a way to go glitch. Oh, that scared me. So, let's go and try. Okay, so I'm ready now. I'll try to like... I have an idea actually. So what if we grab this and then oh, okay, we didn't do it correct. Alright, so okay, let's try to mine all ore. Wait, not. And because I terribly failed that. Okay. Okay, so we won. Okay, so let's try doing it again. Do the strat. Let's see if it works. Yo, we brought it. We brought it outside. So we started. Alright. Alright, let's go.
So we're going again. Let's go. Bobby, go.
No.
Mr. Team! No.
Are we just... Okay, then. I need to respawn.
I'm gonna heal you.
taking that.
I'm new.
No, our base is cooked.
No. You're rude. Hey, you're not on my team. Yo, and it's not fair. You're supposed to only have one teammate. Stop it.
Oh wait, they're taking over the base as well.
I'm trying to tell you, it isn't fair. It's not fair.
Okay, done. Alright, I think we're
Give me it. Oh. I'm missing these shots like they're no tomorrow. Yeah. Pop.
Alright. A lot. But we might win actually.
Forget about the resources. Why? What? They're bad! It's cheating! We have that cheating! No, you're cheating! No, don't break all the crystals! For real cheats.
Let's do it. Let's go, we can do it.
Yes, sir!
Alright, that was... Okay, so we're gonna match.
Self-destruct, bro! Self-destruct! Self-destructing! Self-destruct! How do I get out of it?
Choppy? Chippy choppy?
Sorry, lock it, Dad! Lock it, hurry!
Bro, killed it! Attack! WD, keep it up, WD! We're almost there!
Come on, just one more! One more!
No!
No!
Alright. Alright.
Guys, we won. We won.
Yo,
Do it
guys,
again.
fair enough, bro.
Guys,
Start the game again.
This lobby. I'm the best
Start
in this
it.
lobby.
Start it.
Do it
Who
again.
wants to be on the best in this lobby?
I'm high.
Okay, let's go.
I'm the big boy.
Spectator.
So I think that we're gonna cook it now.
Nobody likes that. Nobody likes that. Nobody.
No,
Nobody likes red. Nobody likes you. Nobody likes red.
Okay.
There's no one like you.
Absolutely.
It's you.
Okay, so that was a really quick match.
Easy clip.
So that was weird. But anyways,
We got it.
Do it again. Do it again. Oh yeah, that's why. Don't do it yet.
my
Hey,
oh,
let's cook.
another match, guys.
Everybody's getting up.
Okay, I died. Okay, done. That was surprising.
No one wants left one me.
Okay, I died again. Okay, how was the match?
Get out! Get out!
Guys, let's see who's
Get out!
Everybody go.
Red team, everybody go in red team. Everybody in red
Wait,
team.
do you want to go second? Start it.
Okay. Alright. Alrighty. See. Alright, so guys, my friend Jeffrey VR is gonna be joining in like a few minutes. Few minutes, so yeah. Alright. Let's wait for him. So let's go. doo doo. Alright, so we're gonna be waiting for him. We're gonna wait for the Rizzler to join. Matthew, go to app chat. Go to app chat. Go to app chat. Alright guys, so we got Matthew here, or Jeffrey VR. So what you do, there's like pickaxes, and then you just want to hit it with the pickaxe. Like that. And come over here, Matthew. And you can also hit like people with it.
Oh, yo.
Alright, come over.
Just on a TP or.
Alright, come over here. Alright, so you see this? It's a new ore, and if you mine it, look what happens. Like random items come out. It's like the garbage ore, but better. I got an RPG from one. So yeah. Okay, so Matthew, come over here. Come over here. Alright. Mine this. Okay, so I want to show you the thing. So this pistol, right now, it has 7 ammo. Just shoot all of it like in the air. And it has infinite ammo. You have to wait like 4 seconds and it reloads.
Okay, so.
Okay, so come over here. That's just research point, I think. Yeah. So over here is your base, right? And you see these blue things? You see the Matthew, come over here.
Where are you?
Right here, behind you. So come over here, follow me.
Oh.
Okay, right here. These blue things, these are your ores. And I am gonna try to mine them. And when you, wait, this is yours. You're supposed to protect us. And whenever I mine one, like if I mine all of them, then I win the match. And there's a time limit. But you're supposed to mine.
So get one?
Mine, so.
Mine.
See, and like, you lost like a thing. So it's basically
Okay, do you want to start?
Yeah, let's start. All right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, guys, let's go. I've been practicing. All right, let's go. I got him. Oh, I died.
Yes.
Pistol. Oh no. Oh. You killed me, but I killed you.
I got a research one.
Oh, 2 minutes left. Yeah, he fell, but I fell too. Funny. Let's go. Let's go against him. Oh no. I'm low. Oh, I died.
Yes.
He's rushing. I'll be cooked, guys. Okay, we got him. But I'm 59 HP, so I might be cooked a bit. Oh, I died. Hurry, I can't lose this. Oh, I just spawned back there. Oh, there he goes. Oh, I died. No. He has like none left. How much damage do these things even do? Oh no!
Oh my god.
Alright guys, so let's try murdering Oh, he fell.
No, no, stop.
Let's go. No.
Oh my god.
Oh, I won. Let's go. All right.
Oh.
Alright guys, so that's it for the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.